Nice drive. You did well.
Thanks. My head is swimming from all the information.
My camcorder's full.
Good timing. I'd like to see your video when it's done.
Sure thing. That was a good lesson. I'm ready for my driving test. When could I take one?
We need to get you an appointment first. Sandy, can you get on the internet from here?
I think so. Let's give it a try. Okay, we're on.
Brandon, go to the DMV website. Select appointments. Then, behind the wheel driving test appointments. Now you can choose the office you want to go to and get the first available date.
Oh, you even do tests on Saturdays. Cool. Let's see. I'll pick this office. Looks like I'm all set for next week.
Great. We'll see you then. And in the meantime, here's something for you to review. This will help you with the test.
Thanks, I'll use it.
Thanks for all you've done. This was a really great experience.
Yeah, it was awesome.
Well, I'm glad you both enjoyed it. Remember to drive safely.
Bye.
Bye.